Good morning, JPAR family. Just want to do a quick video on how to follow up with your leads in KvCORE. If you have been building a pipeline for a while, and you will see activity on your dashboard. So go to kvcore.com and then go to your dashboard. You will see the most recent activity here. So here's Patty. Patty, 2 hours ago, was looking at this particular property. This is twofold. We're going to send her an email and we'll also call her later. It's too early. I usually do my phone calls around 9:30. But for now, I know she's been surfing here. 2 hours ago, she likes this property. So we're going to email her. Okay. So click on email right here. What I like to do is I like to take out, I think you may like this listing. I'd like to take that out completely. Okay. And let's replace that with, would you like to see this house? And that's the link that will take her directly to the house that she looked at. And then your script. This is my script, adjust it accordingly. You can pause this video and see what I've written. Paste. So I start off with saying, would you like to see this house? And here's the link that's going to take Patty over here, to the house that she looked at 2 hours ago. Thank you for visiting our site. I don't say my site, I say our site. We are JPAR. She may not like this particular property. Just because she looked at it doesn't mean she likes it. So we say our site is because she's able to search other homes at jphomesforsale.com within your domain. So that is it. So here, guys, at the very end here, I have my signature here already within this copy and paste from the text message. So you want to turn, if you already have signature enabled in your KvCORE, you want to turn that off, okay? Because you don't want to have two signatures in your email that's going out, okay? So here, check out my listing. That's usually my subject. They are interested in homes, right? And so I always put from Sunny for every one of my emails. So they know next time they get an email from me, it's from Sunny. If they're interested, they will click on my email all the time and then just send them. Simple as that. Straight from KvCORE. Now, here's what I want to go over here is that this one here, I don't know how to pronounce her name, Sarah, but Sarah favorited this property. This is a favorite. The orange is a favorite, okay? So we'll do the same thing here. So what this indicates is that Patty has a phone call. She has a number that's in KvCORE that's registered. That's why it says call here. For Syra, it doesn't say there's a call here. And there's no text there because if there was a number, then there would be a text there as well. But there's only an email. She only registered through a Facebook ad as an email. So in this case, since she has favorited this property, I will email her as well for this particular property. Same concept here, guys. So we're going to email her. We're going to remove. I think you may like this listing. We're going to replace that with, would you like to see this home or this house? How are you going to word it? Okay. And copy and paste your script. Remember to turn off the signature if you have a signature already embedded in there. Okay. And that is it. So we're going to go back in here and say it's modified to what your liking is. I always just put from Sunny, homes for sale. Very simple message. And this one here, let's talk about Rolly. Rolly he loves this property. The red is love. The orange is favorite. So if he would have favorited in an orange some properties, it's different than one that he loves. One that he loves that he's interested in. Okay, so he's very interested in this. Again, same concept. So we're going to email him. Okay. Change the subject. Okay, we're going to remove this. I think you may like this listing. We're going to replace that with, would you like to see this house? Okay, and there we're going to paste our script. Same concept. Turn the signature off if you have a signature already, and send. Now, part 2 of this, okay, is call. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, I usually call around 9:30. So here's where the smart number comes into play with KvCORE, guys. So when you hit call, okay, this little window pops up over here. It says a new call, and it comes from a smart number. Okay, and this is a number. This is his number in this case. And so when the phone rings, it does not show your cell phone number. When his phone rings, it shows KvCORE smartphone number for you. Okay, when you hit call right here, I'm not going to do it, but when you hit call, it's going to call your KvCORE is going to call your phone, but at the same time, it's going to call his phone. So when you answer, KvCORE is going to connect you to Rolly or whoever the client may be in this case. So when you hit call, your phone will ring. Answer your phone. It should start ringing as soon as you answer it, and it'll be Rolly. In this case, it'll be Rolly that's going to be answering the phone, hopefully. So, guys, that's a quick nugget for today. I would do this just every day if I were you. If you have built up your pipeline, you will see pretty good activity here. You see here, I've got folks here. Cecilia, 8 hours ago. Cecilia is very active here, right? 1, 2, 3. I've got Cedric, 11 hours ago. Again, Cedric, 11 hours ago. Grace. All these guys are looking for a home. They're surfing. It's just a matter of connecting. Here's another one that Mr. or Mrs. Grove that has favorited property. Not loved, but favorited. Here's another one that Sarah Kosser, she has been favoriting lots of properties. And so has Mr. or Mrs. Grove again here. So do this on a daily basis, and it's another way to gain clients in your pipeline that you've been building up. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.